Hi everyone, now we in Pattaya with Georgi's first day, and I already sent document morning and afternoon now. With Georgi we come to the Central Festival Pattaya. It's a food court. We just only sit and drink juice, original juice, and coconut pancake. I will show now. This is coconut pancake, 80 baht. I very like. Georgi also very like. And we bought for 100 baht. This is original juice. It's three bottle, 100 baht. Before we already eat in Terminal 21. We just only stop here.
Pattaya Beach Road, 45-year-old Russian citizen Evgeniy was attacked by a local resident. The reason for the attack was that the woman mistakenly believed that Evgeniy was filming her without permission. She attacked him and caused minor injuries. Evgeniy was walking by with camera, and Thai woman thought he was filming her, but he was just passing by without stopping and didn't focus camera on her. Evgeniy contacted the police, providing a video recording of the incident, proving that there was no violation of privacy. In response, the woman was charged with assault causing bodily harm. Under Thai law, such an offense can entail a prison term of up to 3 years or a fine of up to 60,000 baht. According to unconfirmed reports, the woman was released after paying a fine of 1,000 baht.
Guys, this information is from the Telegram channel, Russian Telegram channel from the Pattaya.